What if I told you that budget smartphones are about to take a massive leap forward in 2025? Meet the Infinix Note 50s, a device that's not just redefining affordability but also shaking up the industry with its cutting-edge features. And yes, even Apple fans might want to pay attention to this one. Infinix has been making waves in emerging markets, and with the Note 50s, they are proving that premium design and high-end performance don't have to come with a flagship price tag. Let's break it down. This time, Infinix is bringing an aerospace-grade aluminum frame with a ceramic matte back, giving it a premium feel that rivals even flagship phones. But the real star is the display, a stunning 6.9-inch 144Hz AMOLED panel with LTPO technology. That means ultra-smooth visuals and adaptive refresh rates, saving battery when you need it. Now, let's talk cameras. Infinix isn't holding back. The Note 50s packs a 200-megapixels OIS main sensor, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens, features you'd expect from a $1,000-plus device. The AI-driven night mode is said to rival even the latest iPhones in low-light conditions. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixels front camera with AI skin tone enhancement. Powering this beast is the new Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, built on a 4nm process. Combined with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is ready to handle high-end gaming, video editing, and AI-driven tasks with ease. And speaking of AI, Infinix is introducing XOS AI Assistant, a built-in smart assistant designed to optimize performance and improve battery efficiency based on usage patterns. Battery life. Infinix isn't playing around. The Note 50s features a 6000 mAh battery with 180W ultra-fast charging and 50W wireless mag charge support. Yep, wireless charging, something that many budget phones still lack. You can go from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but what about software updates? Well, Infinix has promised 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, which is a huge step up for the brand. And now, the moment of truth, the price. The Infinix Note 50s is expected to launch at just $399. That's right, a 200-megapixels camera, 144Hz AMOLED display, flagship-grade performance, and